Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can reset password in Raiz Investment. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser. After that, search Raiz Investment. After that, click on the first link appeared on your screen. On the top right corner, you will see 3 parallel lines. You have to click on that and click on login. Now you will see something like this. You have to click on forget your password. Now Raiz will ask for your email. You have to type your email and click on send email. After that, go through your email and you will see something like this, and there is one link. You have to click on that link to change your password. Now here you can type your new password and confirm new password and click on reset. Now your password will be reset. So this was it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and see you in next video. Bye bye.